This is the animal kingdom's biggest secret. You see them every day, but you've never actually seen them like this. The honey badger that has skin so thick it can survive arrows and even bee stings. It's immune to the world's deadliest venom. After a cobra bite, it just takes a nap and wakes up to finish its meal. But here is the real secret. Its skin is so loose that even if a predator grabs it by the neck, it can turn around inside its own skin to bite back. It literally does not care. It's officially the world's most fearless creature. Would you be this brave? Or you need this energy? Comment and subscribe for more.